Every classes or every time we have New Year's resolutions. Tama ba ako? We have New Year's resolutions. Pero bakit nga ba natin kailangan ng New Year's resolution? So first things first, what exactly is New Year's resolutions? Bakit kailangan natin gawin yun sa sarili natin? Basically, ito yung mga promises natin na ginagawa natin sa sarili natin for the whole year. Parang goal na rin siya. And at the same time, it will make us more improved, much more better person. Think about it. Maybe you want to get fit, or you want to have your diet, or change your lifestyle, or change your mood, or change your character. So, why are we having this kind of resolutions? Why do we need to have some resolutions where in fact, hindi naman natin nagagawa yung ibang mga promises natin? For me, it's about personal growth. It's about your improvement about yourself, how you deal with other people, how you deal with your family members, and how you teach yourself to become the best version of yourself. It's for your personal growth. We are accountable of all the things that happens to us, whether good or bad. So, make it to the habit to have your New Year's resolutions right now. Nagkakaroon ka ng motivation sa sarili mo to enhance yourself more, 'di ba? Parang nafe-feel mo na, ang sarap pala ng feeling that you commit on this kind of change for your betterment as a person. Ito pa, nakakatulong to para lumabas ka dun sa comfort zone na meron ka. Yung usual na ginagawa mo na routinary na lang at hindi na siya visible, or sabihin na natin, hindi na nakakatulong sa'yo. So, etong New Year's resolution na to, that will change your life for the better. Ito rin yung pagkakataon na makakalimutan mo, or you will forget all those past memories or struggles that you have in your life because you have a fresh start within this year. That's why it's good to have a New Year's resolution for you to have some direction in your life. Maniwala ka, when you pursue this kind of New Year's resolution to yourself, it will build up your resiliency and grit as a person. Mas magiging matatag ka, mas magiging maayos ang pagtingin mo sa sarili mo, and you will feel much more better. Kaya kung ako sa'yo, you need to have your New Year's resolutions na hindi lang siya basta goal lang. Ito ay isang roadmap